well. Now you may be asking yourself, why did we leave this thing here? Well, because it cost us a lot of money to move electrical and to just blow out the whole wall. We would still have a header. It's not going to be completely flat. We don't want to get into redoing the ceilings, getting into the woods with all of that stuff. So it saves us a lot of money by coming down like this. And there's an electrical switch right here for the kitchen.
Welcome to the investor party. You see we got the street lined up. JD's got his obnoxious truck parked pretty much in the middle of the road. True JD fashion. But we're rolling up to this house here in Casey, South Carolina. It's the newest rehab project that we just took down. Cute little neighborhood right here in the Casey Avenues. Now, if you take a look around the neighborhood, this entire area is revitalizing. And these old shotgun houses are turning around and selling for top dollar. It's crazy just seeing how the proximity and location of land sells deals. Let's take a quick look inside. Boom.
What's up?
What's cracking?
All in, full of cabinets in here.
Check it out.
We moved the door over just so it lines up a lot better with the center of the house. And this is gonna open up the visuals of the house a lot, because we just busted a hole in here and the countertop's gonna spill over this and around the corner and come out and look really nice. The countertop's gonna go all over here and our sink's gonna be right here looking into the heart of the home. We're also gonna have all over there, it's gonna be countertop as well. Now you may be asking yourself, why did we leave this thing here? Well, because it cost us a lot of money to move electrical and to just blow out the whole wall. We would still have a header. It's not going to be completely flat. We don't want to get into redoing the ceilings, getting into the woods with all of that stuff. So it saves us a lot of money by coming down like this. And there's an electrical switch right here for the kitchen. So just by cutting this, we save thousands of dollars instead of demoing the whole wall. That needs to move.
Yeah.
By just keeping kind of just using our brain and just tweaking a couple little things, we can save a lot of money. So we've done this a time or two, of course, and you live and learn.
This one was a little outside the box because we had a very small area to work with. It was moving things, moving this, moving a wall to make it as functional as possible.
All to make the kitchen feel big and to feel usable for the end buyer. So it should be really nice. Cooking food over here, we literally like act this stuff out. Doing dishes, washing my hands, throw stuff in the dishwasher right beside me. Fridge is over here, sink, range, everything's pretty couple steps to it. And we got lots and lots of stuff. Yeah, no more galley kitchen, little tiny crack house looking kitchen.
This is the existing laundry room that was originally an exterior area. We're gonna move this exterior door that's already in place here, move it over here, make this heated square footage, washer, dryer in here, install a new interior door here. That way your laundry's not outside.
Beautiful.
Yep. Now up here is what Ben's talking about.
So this tiny little sucker, which you can tell was built after the fact, right? We got the exterior brick here. We chose to take the route of keeping it as heated square footage because price per square foot in this neighborhood is astronomical. So keeping that as it sits obviously makes sense when you can maximize the sale price of your home. Let's take a look at this nasty bathroom, man. This thing, woo.
I've been calling it the office. We're gonna knock out that door there, going into it, make that a cased opening, and the window that you see to the left is actually gonna be an exterior door to the backyard as well.
There's stairs outside.
Yeah, there's stairs already there, so
That's
they're like,
what's up.
obviously it was a door at one point, we're gonna make it a door again.
Let's go. Can I just comment on how much like usable space this hallway's taking up?
I just told him that while you were in there.
Like, hello, this could be literally 2 feet of additional space inside of your bedrooms, but you chose to just make a little congregation area where it's like a waiting room in your hallway.
Now I will say that my wife would put a chair in this corner, put a mirror up there, and she'd come in here and like read her book or read her Bible in the morning, whatever. She would be reading stuff right there and have a little sitting place. So people use stuff that's weird
It's true.
You know, I guess we could put a coat closet there, but you know, that's
No, it
kinda
doesn't-
outside of the scope.
Yeah.
So
This used to also be a wood stove.
yeah, this was the
There's a
heat
chimney
center
back
of the
here.
house.
So with this being a 2-bedroom, the goal would be to essentially figure out where we can add an additional bedroom. However, inside of this floor plan, there's really no way to make that work.